Hi guys, hello guys, this is me John Paul D. Oliver. Today is July 21, 2026. It's already Tuesday and today is time check, it's already 11:30 a.m. So ito yung breakfast ko, ito yung mumukbang ko. So ito yung imumukbang ko guys na yung ating spicy chocolate bread na meron siyang hot dog at meron siyang bread na matamis. Ayan. And then next ay meron tayo ditong fried bread chicken crunchy chocolate. Ayan. At ito yung ating water, mineral water. Okay, so let's start guys. Start muna tayo dito. Ito muna yung kakainin ko guys. Itong may hotdog, ayan. Ayan siya hotdog. So yan. Yan guys, tignan nyo yung guys. Ano siya guys, spicy. Tignan nyo yung, ayan, yung anghang, yung pula na konti, na maliit, ayan. Kain tayo, 1. Ayan. Gagawa akong thumbnail. 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 Hmm. Hmm. Ayun, yun yung ngayon, no? Yung chili, hindi ko yan kinakain. Yung lasa niya, manghang siya, guys. Hmm. 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 Ayan yung chili, oh. Manghang. Hmm. 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 Hello. Yung lasa niya guys, sweet and spicy. Hmm. Hot dog. Hmm. 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 Oh. Hot dog. Hmm. 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 Last bite. Hmm. Hmm. Hot dog. Hmm. Hmm. Ito pa lang guys yung ano, yung chili na manghang, yung siling labuyo na, yung spicy labuyo yun. Kulay pula. Thank you Lord for yun. Yan, wala na guys. Ito na lang yung spicy chili. Sobrang anghang yan. Next ay punta naman tayo sa aking fried bread chicken crunchy chocolate yan. Ayan. Kain tayo. Thumbnail lang muna. Yan. Hmm. Hmm. Chicken. Hmm. Hmm. Sarap. Hmm. Mm. 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 Chicken. Mm. 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 Oh. Ayun. May chicken na siya. Tapos meron na siyang chocolate powder. Mm. 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 Chicken. Mm. Oh. Um. Manok. Mm. 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 Oh. Mm. Chicken. Mm. 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 Yan. Ayan guys, mga vegetable. Mm. Mm. Yan. Mm. 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 Sobrang yummy. Mm. Sobrang crunchy din ang bread kasi yung bread natin, prinito natin. Mm. Um. Ang dami kasi buto ng ano, ang dami ng buto ng manok eh. Ayan o, manok. Ayan, manok. Hmm. Ayan, pakpak ng manok. Yum. Ito guys, mga buto ng manok. Mm. Mm. Last bite. Mm. Yum. Ay guys, wala na. Ito guys, pa ano lang to guys, mga buto ng manok ayan. Mga buto ng manok, sobrang tigas ng buto ng manok ayan siya. Yan siya, wala na. At ito din naman, ito yung buto ng manok na lang, ito yung buto ng manok, ito naman yung siling manghang ayan. I-check ko yung i-check ko guys yung teeth ko. Ngayon guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. This is me, John Paul D. Oliver. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.